Hello students, welcome to your language class. Today is Monday, September the 28th, 2020, and today our dear Lizzie is turning a new year thanks to God. So she was turning a new year yesterday, but yesterday was Sunday, so we couldn't see her. So Lizzie, happy birthday. Let's start. In our language class today, we are going to continue with the tenses of the verb. Remember that last week we were talking about page 85 about the tenses of the verb, and we were discovering that each verb has three different tenses: past, present, and future. When we are talking about the future, we are going to use the word will before each one of the verbs. If we want to use one verb in future, we always are going to use the word will before to write the verb. The verb is not going to change. What we are going to do is that we are going to add that word will. Exercise thing 8, page 85, please, everybody. Exercise thing 8, page 85. Okay, so here we have some different sentences, 5 different sentences. And what you're going to do is that you're going to underline the future tense of the verb in each one of the sentences. Remember that when we are talking about future, we are always going to use the word will before to write the verb. The verb is going to be written in a present tense in a normal way, but when we add the word will, we are going to talk in future. Sentence number 1 says, "Tomorrow we will invite Graham to Bible club," said Mom. So we're going to underline twice with 1 and 2 lines the first sentence. Then in the number 2, Sophia said, "I sure hope he will come with us." Will come. That indicates that our verb come is in the future. Tomorrow is in the future, something that haven't happened. Mrs. Cartwright will teach us about Jesus, promised Sophia. Will teach us. It's in the future again. We will sing songs and we'll learn Bible verses too, exclaimed Sophia's little brother. Will sing and will learn are two different verbs, learn and sing. And when we add will, that means in the future. Mom said, "I will pray that Graham's parents say he may come with us." So that's another future verb, will pray. Excellent. After that, you're going to have one homework. In page 86, you have one exercise that is just one thing. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences that are writing one story. What you're going to do is that you're going to write in these spaces, in the blank spaces, you're going to write one different verb that can make the story in a funny way. So for example, last Saturday morning that caught a big fish. If you are talking about past, the verb should be in the past. If you are talking about present, the verb is going to be in present. If you are going to talk about future, the verb is going to be with the word will. So here I have caught with the word ed at the end because it is in the past. So you're going to choose different action verbs to complete the story. After you finish to complete the story, what you're going to do is that you're going to draft. You have there one square, yes, in the same page, in page 86, and you're going to draft. What you're going to draft? You're going to draft what you wrote or what your story represents. Here I have some verbs for you, so you can use some verbs from the ones that I have here to complete your story. That was everything for today's class. See you until next time.